Right guys, taste test time. So here I have 5 very quick, very easy lunch ideas. So what I tried to do was use the same ingredients across all of them so that your shopping list doesn't have to be full of different ingredients. So I'm gonna start off with this one. So this one is a breakfast burrito, but we're having it for lunch. So it has sausages. I'm actually using vegan sausage. It has eggs. So this one basically tastes like English breakfast in a burrito. Every bite has, each component of the wrap. So next I have the chicken sandwich. I actually use leftover chicken for this. My chicken, mayonnaise, and sweet corn work so well together. This one, unbelievable. I love it. So next we have the tuna cheese melt, and this one is a very basic, very simple recipe. Doesn't contain a lot, and it's very filling and quick to make. So I'm just gonna taste this now. Tuna and cheese, perfect. You don't need to season this at all. And tuna is already salty, and you have the cheese as well. I'm using a mix between cheddar and mozzarella, and when you have it fresh and hot, the cheese is amazingly melted. Cool. So the next one. So this one is a, I don't know what it's called, but this one basically is all over the internet, it's all over TikTok. And you can basically mix the 4 different components with whatever you have. Well, I have no words for it. Delicious. So next I have the salad bowl. So this one, I would say make at the end of the week. You basically just put whatever you have left over into the salad bowl. So in this case I have some leftover chicken, avocado, lettuce, and then also some leftover bread. So I made some homemade croutons, sweet corn, so I just put that in there. The dressing that I made was a mix between olive oil and lemon, but basically you can use like an oil and a citrus, just mix it together and it will emulsify into like a nice thick dressing. But yeah, this is just a salad, so I'm just gonna taste test for you guys. Again, it's salad, so there's not much to say. It's you know, refreshing, easy to eat, and this is the homemade croutons. So that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed all of these recipes. Basically just made this video because I wanted to help you guys. You know, when you're working from home and you just want to make something quick, you can make one of these. So if you guys try any of these recipes, do let me know what you guys think of them. I will leave like a shopping list in the description down below, so you guys can go out, you know, shop for the week, and you have 5 lunches for 5 days of the week sorted with different variations, different lunches, so you don't get bored of eating the same thing over and over again. But don't forget to comment down below, like this video, subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.